my car.
All right, we're out here with the River Boys.
Yeah.
It's me, JC.
Did you hear me said yo? Make a left turn there, guy.
Here he is, the movie star himself.
There he is.
Guy.
Let's get an action shot.
That's good.
Got one? Oh. First blood. Measure him up. Make sure you dip the board in the water first. I'll figure it out. If you give me a picture, I'll figure it out. Got one. Solid one, solid one. Dude, it's a largemouth. Yo, largemouth. No way, yo. I never thought it would be largemouth up in here. Hell yeah, largie on the board. You come out here on Christmas and they'll be going crazy.
Oh, there's one. That's a good one. That's a good one.
Be careful with them, be careful with them. Don't swing around like crazy. Be easy with them.
Yeah, give him some slack. No. Choked it.
Yeah, there you go, on the board.
Come here, motherfuckers. This is a good one.
Come with me, I'm looking for it.
Come here, motherfuckers.
Yes.
This is PB.
I'll give you the metal board for that one. Do not drop it in.
Hell no, David. Look at this girl.
Please don't.
She's at least a 10.
At least a 10? I'm saying that's like a 12 at least. I don't know if he's gonna be 14, but I have to pop in that spot real quick.
Yeah, fuck all of them. Come here, baby.
Oh, I'm working my way.
Come here.
Making my way down.
Work your way. You hustle. You hustle, bustle. This is a good one, fat too.
Be careful with this. Oh, watch out.
Sorry.
You're good. No, it's your rod that's gonna get hurt.
There we go.
Nice.
Watch my other bull.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, let's see that board, big dog.
Be really careful with her. We need her for next season. That's a keeper. That's a 12 3/4.
Wow, baby.
12 3/4.
Let's go. Fucking PB. Is it 13 or is it fucking?
You gotta have the mouth closed. Is the mouth closed?
Yeah, mouth is closed.
12 3/4.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Can you get a picture? PB, dude, I'm fucking hype.
You're gonna break that PB.
Let's go, boys.
Dude,
Yeah.
he was fighting good too.
Yeah, he was.
We talking about steaks,
We talking
boy.
about steaks. We ain't talking about no fucking. We ain't talking about no fat. We talking about steaks. No T-bones though. No pork chops. We talking about
We
steaks.
ain't talking about no ribs.
There you go, Kai. Get his ass. That looks nice. There you go.
Dude, that's a big one.
He's not even jumping. What is that?
Is that a largemouth?
No! Fuck!
What happened?
Came off at the boat.
Ah. Yeah, I like how that hammock's looking.
Yeah?
Chef Kai and the cooking
Chef
up.
God, we
Cooking
cooked the
up.
walleye up, dog.
Yeah, you better cook
We
that
got
walleye
dinner
up nice.
coming up, man.
You better cook up them eyes, boy.
We'll bust
We
them
looking
eyes
for
up.
eyes.
I want eyes and hearts.
We hungry. You better start whipping them steaks up.
Yeah, Kyle, you slagging. Hurry up.
Yeah. I don't see no steaks on that hammock.
Yeah, where's the fire at, though? Let's get this busted.
Yeah. Get that flame going.
Yeah, we need a fire.
What's your fire making level?
You know what you doing over here?
What am I doing over here?
What you doing?
Figuring everything out.
Ew, what you doing?
We don't got no time to figure out. We gotta start cooking.
We gotta start cooking.
It's cooking time, boys.
It's cooking time, boy.
It's cooking time.
You look good right there.
Look good to me. Shit, it's better than my bed at home.
Watch the hill, man. Don't be going down.
Yeah, don't be slipping out of that thing.
Oh, he's going in. Here he goes.
He's taking a tumble if he goes out of that
He's
thing.
taking a test. He's checking it out. Here he goes.
How that thing looking?
Yeah.
Get in that skull.
Yeah, cut that head off, boy. Yeah. Gotta eat that. No,
Look at that eye.
JC's gotta eat it. He caught it.
Look at that eye, boy.
JC, eat the eyes, dude.
I'm eating them eyes.
Oh, the guts are coming with it. Nice.
Look at that.
Yeah, pull it out, though. Get your fingers in there. Finger that bitch. Yeah.
There you go, JC.
Put it on the fire, dude. Let's smell the smoke.
I'm eating head first.
Here, you ready?
Throw that thing in there. No, throw it in there. Do not throw it at me.
No bears, no bears.
The bears be coming for that.
Don't throw it at me, man.
Ready? Watch out.
You better not hit me with that head.
Don't.
Man, that shit didn't even make it back halfway to the river.
I'm gonna load up some more shrimp on the barbie.
That boy got that technique down.
I be practicing. You guys are next.
I'm impressed, dude. That's not a bad cut right there.
Let me see the fillet, though. That's what I want to see.
Yeah, I can't wait to see what actually gets cooked up. I'm going down there. I'm gonna catch another one. Yeah, go, but you know about the fillets, boy. We cooking up out here. We cooking up.
Yo, what you eating on, JC?
Eating on that eye, boy.
What you eating? Yeah.
No, I ain't Bear Grylls style, boy.
JC, what you eating, my boy?
I'm gnawing on that eye right now.
Get on that eye, boy. Eat that eye. Yeah.
Damn, boy.
Woo! We camping, baby.
Let's go.
Get him.
What's going on in there?
Get him.
What's going on over there?
Get him.
What's that?
Who's that? Your mama.
See some light going on over there. Damn, she froze up real good. Got some leaves in there too. Damn, dog.
Yeah, frozen.
Frozen up.
If I want to, I can't.
Damn, this guy's using socks as mittens.
Oh. The boy's going in. I'm going in.
Does it sound like the rotor stand?
I'm going in. And you know I'm gonna go hard.
I'm go hard.
Oh, the tadpole.
Oh yeah, Mrs. Delaware. Spread your legs wide. I'm coming.
Improvised. Hear me, boy.
Yo, what is that, yo? You see that swimming right there? What is that?
Oh my god. Fucking beaver.
Is it a beaver?
Kill it.
Take him down. Dude, you're like the trout entrepreneur or a trout apprentice.
Alright, who's getting the skunk off, baby?
Andrew did it yesterday.
Look at you! Look at right in front of you, right to the right of you, right to the right. To the right. You missed it, right in front of you now.
Oh, here it goes. I see it.
What is it?
Oh, look at this big fucking swirl right here.
Yo, we got water spouts out here, JC. Dangerous.
Yeah, look at this one right here. Look at this one.
I've never seen shit like this, man.
Yo, look at it right here.
Dude, what are you guys fucking looking at?
Yo, look at this tornado busting in, dog.
Yo, wait, it's Sunday. Right?
This is the Lord's Day.
Sunday driving.
Yeah, we got all time.
Good shit, boys. We survived the night. Nobody died. Imagine if you had a fish on.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Okay.
What the fuck is that?
I know not.
Going. Good one on the glide. Yeah. On the glide.
What is it?
Smalley.
Yeah.
He ate that thing good. Yeah, Smalley on the glide. Oh, we might have found him, boys.
No!
Oh, no.
Dude, it's so hard to keep him hooked on the jerkbait. Oh, dude, every time. Why do you
Ty, you might need to get a net, man. Oh, I got one. Good one. Good one. Yeah. He's exactly 14.
Oh my fucking god! Holy shit! Somebody come here! Holy fuck!
What is it?
Oh my god! Holy shit! This is definitely big, but this is huge. Please, some JC.
I'm coming.
Please come here. JC. I got it.
I'm gonna be close, man. Yeah, I'd say 14 and a quarter. Nice, he's chunky too. Oh, yeah.
Dude, I was like, it's a little lull right there, and I was like, there's gotta be a fish right here.
Good eye, man. PB Smalley with the boys. I'm thick guy, dude. Yeah.
What?
What is it?
What is it?
What? Let me come see. Dude, it's like a sucker or something.
It's like a suckerfish.
Kyle, it is good eating. It's like a roach, I think they're called.
Roach?
Yeah. Damn, did he bite the tube?
Yeah, dude, he's bleeding on my lip.
Damn, oh!
He's going.
Damn.
No. Woke up and all of our stuff was broken.